Have you ever said yes when every fiber of your being was saying no? Or perhaps you've always bent over backwards to make sure that everyone around you were happy and that they stayed around? Well, you might be a people pleaser. Today we're diving into what it means to be a people pleaser, how it affects your life, and how you can possibly break those habits. Let's get into it. First up, you might be a people pleaser if you find it difficult to say no. This is not about being agreeable, but about disappointing others. You might overcommit, stretch yourself too thin, or plain old just doing too much for others. Ultimately, it leads to you feeling drained. Next up, people pleasers avoid conflict. The thought of someone being upset or mad with them is a bit overwhelming. Do you feel this way? If so, you're a people pleaser. This also means that you don't express yourself or how you're feeling for the sake of other people. You just go along to get along, and oftentimes you are not being nurtured or cared for in the relationship. But as long as no one is upset with you, you will continue to go along. As long as you are keeping the peace and no one is upset, you are outwardly appearing to be happy, but not so much on the inside. But here's the kicker. This type of behavior could lead to resentment, not just from others that may have manipulated you, but also you feel internal resentment. You sometimes even get mad at yourself. You may start thinking, well, what about what I need? But you never would say it to anyone. But internally, you're having a struggle. So how do you change this pattern and find the happiness that you desire? First, recognize that it's perfectly okay for you to prioritize yourself and your needs above all others. This does not make you selfish. It makes you self-aware. Start off small by saying no to small things. Yes, it's going to cause you some discomfort, but feel the discomfort and recognize that the world will not end because you said no. Also, work on establishing good, clear boundaries. It may feel a little uncomfortable at first, but recognize that boundaries are necessary for good, healthy relationships. It also helps others understand your needs and respect them. And remember, changing deep-seated behaviors takes some time and it takes patience. Start acknowledging that your needs are just as important as everyone else's. And trust me, the more you practice, the easier it'll become. But who you are and how you feel is very important. I hope that this has been helpful for you. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and share this information with anyone that you feel may benefit from it. Until next time, take care of yourself.